It's SheRea, what's up? As you can see from the title, your girl got knotless braids for the first time. I know this braiding technique has been out for like 2 or 3 years now, but I'm always late, but I'm here and I'm happy about it. These braids are so nice and neat. It's the braids for me and it's the red for me, y'all. Like, can y'all get into this though? Can we get into it? Hello. I am obsessed, okay? I love it. The red is doing it for me. I did have regular blonde box braids last summer. They were fire. If you haven't seen that video, you can check them out right here, but it's all about these. I will leave my braider down below. It is a Brooklyn-based braider. Yes, I live in New Jersey now. If you don't know, I live in Jersey. You can check out my moving vlog. But anyway, enough long talking. Let's go into braiding prep, how I prepped my hair for these magnificent braids, as well as the actual braiding process. Honestly, I'm just going to do big sections just because a sis needs to get it done. I'm gonna go in with that much product. My hair is going to be put away for 4 weeks. That's how long I plan to keep the braids. So I want to make sure my hair is moisturized as possible. I'm just gonna use what I used last time. If you haven't seen my last blowout where I trimmed my hair, you can definitely check it out in the cards. Now I'm going in with a serum. And this is just going to protect my hair from the heat because we are using a new dryer today. We're getting fancy. So I'm first going to finger detangle because I am going in with a tool, which I don't normally do. But because it's a blowout, I do want to make sure my hair is as detangled as possible. Now I'm going in with a new brush, y'all. This is the Denman D38 brush. There's a big section in the back. I'm not even sure how to hold it because I don't brush my hair. And it's so slippery, so my hand is sliding off. Like, I don't know how you're supposed to hold this. Like, how do I hold this when it's like sliding? There's no grip on it. You can see there's no snags in my hair. For those of you who think finger detangling doesn't work, it does, because I don't have any snags in my hair. It is now 8:30, so I'm gonna let this sit for like an hour or two and then we're gonna be back to blow dry. So see you in a bit. Y'all, it's the next day. If you knew I was lying about coming back, give this video a thumbs up because I played myself. I'm just going to take the brush and brush it out again to get out the crinkle from the braids. I'm really taking my time and I'm starting from the ends. I'm not being rough. I'm really taking my time. And this brush is actually really gentle. Boom. Now I'm going in with the blow dryer. Yes, y'all, I'm going in with a expensive Dyson. I purchased this Dyson with my own money. I want to use the best tools on my hair. People swear by this. They swear by how gentle it is. So I did spend the $400+ for it, and I got the comb attachment. I love how it just like boom. It's not a Dyson review. I'm going to do medium heat, high speed. I don't know. I'm gonna just take off a bit more off from my ends. It'll grow back, especially in these braids. So let's take off a little bit more. Just so y'all can see. So last you'll see my hair for the next month. We decided to go with two colors, burgundy and 350, after a lot of deliberation. I know I didn't want just one solid color, but I went in there literally not knowing what I wanted. We were able to choose these two colors, and I'm really happy with the combination because it's giving, especially in the sun, so I love that.
Level up, ayy, level up, ayy, level up, ayy, level up, ayy, gotta level up, ayy, level up, ayy, level up, ayy, level up, ayy, gotta level. Blessings on blessings, won't he do it, ayy, no matter what I gotta keep it moving, ayy, level up, ayy, level up, ayy, level up, ayy, level up, ayy, gotta level. I'm headed straight to Mars, no roof on the car, hating from afar. What you hating for? I be on my grind, that's a hundo. Yeah, you see me ballin', raise your rondo. Ay, ay, I 80 on the LeBron. Ladies on the arm and neither Gucci or Vuitton. I pulled on with the charm. Started from the bottom, now we lit. And all my rough beginnings, I'll never forget. But I had to level up, ay, level up, ay, level up, ay, level up, ay, gotta level up, ay, level up, ay. Level up, ayy, level up, ayy, gotta level. Blessings on blessings, won't he do it, ayy, no matter what I gotta keep it moving, ayy, level up, ayy, level up, ayy, level up, ayy, level up, ayy, gotta level. Shout out to the people out here living, ayy, ayy, you either get it or get rid of, ayy, ayy, no bags back, you think I'm tripping, ayy, look, you either get it or you get it, ayy, look, long summers, asking for the winter, skiing while we skiing, this shit ain't for beginners, ay, the young boy, surrounded by some winners, I still keep it hood, coolin' with the TV dinner, ay, level up, ay, level up, ay, level up, ay. Yeah, grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. Hey. I grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. Yeah, all I know is get paper. All I do is shit major. Bought a condo on the top floor, and the building's a skyscraper. Feeling like I'm Kobe, LeBron for the Lakers. Feeling like I'm Idris, Paul Walker, Taker. New Rollie, no diamonds in it. New Porsche, all dimes in it. I'm infatuated with fine women. Corona extra with the lime in it. Just to chase the Henny. Used to be a penny pincher. Now I'm in plenty business. Grind hard, nigga, on guard. Grind hard, nigga, on guard. Yeah. We grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. Hey. I grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles.
I hope y'all enjoyed that experience. This is only day 2, so I got my braids done on Wednesday. Today is Friday, and I don't really have much to say about it. I will say that it's much more lightweight than regular box braids. Regular box braids are super heavy just by the nature of them. So that's the one pro. It's very lightweight. There's not a lot of tension. Will I say it's completely tension free? No, because it is an extra extension on my head, especially kind of on the edges. I did pay $200 for them, which I think is super duper affordable. Like, they're beyond my butt. They're almost low-key hip length. Love that for me, because it's that season, okay? I thought that was really affordable. And then they also sell the hair, and I used 4 packs and it was $24, so $224 for these braids. That's a great price. I do want to mention, because I know someone may ask, I did get my charm from Amazon. It came in this entire set right here for like $8. I will definitely link it down below. Clearly didn't use as many as I had in the pack. I may go in and add a few more, but for right now, it's giving what it needs to give, so we good. If you want to replicate these braids, I did get them in a medium. I've seen some stylists do bigger mediums, so it really just depends on the stylist, but that's all I have for now. If you want an update on these braids or how I feel about knotless braids, definitely let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am outie, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.